Hello everybody. As you can see, if I click this sketch and click pad, I won't see anything. Then I click OK, wire is not closed. To fix this, we're gonna select the sketch in the part design workbench, go to sketch, validate sketch, highlight troublesome vertices, click on it. As you can see, a little yellow dot has been shown. If we close this, go to the sketch, find where the yellow dot was, we can see the sketch is not closed. We can close it simply by touching those 2 points, close it, and now we can pad it. That's all. If you like this tutorial, please leave a like and subscribe. You can also buy me a coffee in the description. Thank you for watching.